Hey guys, here's some telltale signs that a lawn has been painted. Now, this has been a growing trend in my area since there's water control regulations and everything else like that. So, what happened is that I saw some of the lawns actually had some green dye on the side edges, which bleeded out, as well as their sprinklers had some green dye on it. I thought it was rust before, but it isn't. It's actually dye. Now what happened was I started talking to my neighbors, and they apparently did paint their lawn, and it was a it was inspirational to me because what I wanted to do was paint my lawn too to look as good as theirs. So what I did was that I painted my own lawn. Now, one of the things that I found out and the lessons that I found out by painting my own lawn was that the green dye doesn't work very well on like very, very bright dry grass. So as you can see, it's kind of like tinted white and stuff, but it worked out pretty well because for 90% of the grass, it looks really good, especially if the grass is semi-yellow and slightly green. All I did was use some lawn paint and a sprayer, a garden sprayer. It works, but to make it easier, I used a 4-gallon garden sprayer that was electronic and motor powered. So I just did the whole thing in about an hour. Lasted really good. I can't wait to see the results in about the next couple of months and see if I have to redo a paint. But this time, I'm going to definitely cover up all those little errors that I did when I painted my lawn. Anyways, guys, I hope this was helpful to you. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.